Hey guys, I'm Oliver. This week I'm setting myself a challenge. I'm going to create a video in just 24 hours. I'm going to Paris. This time I will bring with me only my Sony a7R III camera, one lens and one battery. I want to prove that I can create a good looking video without using any additional accessories like gimbals, drones and nothing more. Are you ready? Let's go! Check if your in-camera stabilization is activated. Position your feet pointing directly at where you want the shoot to end. Then, instead of moving just the camera, move your entire upper body in the desired direction. Holding the camera close to your body's center of gravity will reduce shake and enhance the quality of your handheld shots. Shooting in slow motion is a great way to smooth out that footage. With the Sony a7R III I can shoot at 100 frames per second and play back at 25, turning all the jerky movement into a smooth fluid motion. Not everything is ideal to shoot in slow motion, but for B-roll, cutaways, montage and sometimes for dramatic effect is a great technique. Using the hyperlapse technique could deliver the wow factor to your videos. You just need patience. Set your camera in manual mode, also disable the autofocus and find a fixed point. It could be anything, a lamp, a window or the tip of the Louvre Museum. Then start walking slowly toward the fixed point and take a photo approximately every 2 seconds. If you're enough precise, just apply a warp stabilizer to your photo sequence and you will have a smooth movement. Shall we follow the shutter speed rule? No, unless you want to achieve a specific cinematic look. If there is no need, I shot at a higher shutter speed. This will reduce motion blur, making everything a bit crisper, and making the warp stabilizer job a lot easier. I set a shortcut on my Sony a7R III to quickly activate the APS-C mode, when I need to zoom in without having to change the lens. It is as if I had 2 lenses in one. Using an handheld camera allows you to move much faster and creatively. You can rotate the camera or let it pass through narrow space. Do not underestimate this aspect. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. In conclusion, it was a very nice experience. I have to admit that the time in Paris was very short. In 24 hours is not easy to cover the entire city. Guys, if you have any other challenge to propose, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, and there are new tutorials and new videos on the way. Ciao!